Hello guys, welcome back to Predator King and Armor Master. This is Bowser. I love and bye. I've just got in a box. So unboxing. So this is what I think it is. I'll need to close those. Give me a minute. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to pause it. I'm going to do this live. So guys, I hope the update didn't bum you out. Is that good? Is that good lighting? No. Too short. Guys, I'm too short. So guys, sorry about this. I'm a bit short, but there we go. So it's a box. So the bag, I'm assuming that's where it's from, but yeah, I've got a loose end right here. Let's hope I can open this up. Great. Wait, nail stickers. Get off. So yeah, guys, just got back from school. Satan incarnate. There. Should have my bin beside me. Oh, right, there we go. Get in there, guys. See this? Ripping all this off, so that's what the noise is. Sorry if it's piercing your ears. Might add some music over that. Oh guys, this is a nightmare. Unboxing. What am I thinking, guys? Guys, please tell me. I'm probably trying to hop on all the new trends. Come on. Come on, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Did he have scissors? What the hell? Oh God, guys, what am I thinking? Maybe that's a bit. I'm doing it, guys. Oh, I see what you done there. Dude, get out. Guys, looks like we're working, right? We've got our way through one bit. Oh, God. Tape. Ooh. Don't have anything I can cut that with. Jeepers. Let me see if I can find some scissors. Guys, got some scissors. Yes. Oh God, this is taking forever, guys. This is legit. Nice. So guys, this isn't much to get excited about. Might as well do an unboxing. Got it here. This is taking forever to open. Might not even upload this. I might just gonna cut this off. Fine. Oh, I'm getting progress. Oh, sorry, everybody. a while. Oh yeah! Oh, some nests and hornets. Oh yeah! Alright, getting through. Is this a shoebox? This guy seriously just packed me. Million bits of tape. Shoebox. Gonna take like. Can I puncture it? I'm just gonna. Oh, I got it! Yes! I'm finally victorious over a box! Right, let's take out all the bubble wrap. Oh! Alright guys, here's the bubble wrap. Let's undo all this. So I've got bubble wrap. And then I've got the figure I ordered. Yay! Alright guys, so I have ordered Transformers Animated Sentinel Prime. Sentinel Prime, sir! You know, Mr. Eagle Head, the Crimson Chin, you know that guy, big chin. Yeah, him. Big guy, huge eagle. Eagle bigger than his chin. We all know how big animated chins are, and he's just a prime example. So once he's opened, here I've got some instructions for Sentinel Prime. Interesting, we've got his little shield here. Little shield, see that? There, his little ones, those are cool. Then I have my figure. Oh, he has kind of a part, so let's assemble him. One leg on. Right there. There's his head. He has been broken. What you gonna do? An order a new one without instructions. A new overpriced one. Should have a big smug smirk. So here is my new Sentinel Prime. Oh, this is peachy. I like this. So you can give him the sword. Here you can give him a sword and his shield. Here, which could either go like that or like that. No, like that.